Catalunya. And here we have the Castellers of Abril, who are today visiting Alburgues of Vilanova in preparation for the big human tower activations or performances which will come on the day of Santi of the 23rd of April. Here is a 3x7 on the facade, which the Castellers of Sabadell had to bring down without having accomplished it in their first attempt. This second attempt so far looks more stable, I must say. This was the critical moment last time. Let's see how it goes now. Now it went very, very smooth. Look at this human tower. Crown, carregar, and until that point it has been very, very stable. Shaking slightly here during the dismantling process, but no, this is a very, very good human tower. We are in Vilanova, Geltrú, in Catalonia, 2010.